Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. And as you can see, there are four mixed numbers on your screen there. We're going to change each of those to their equivalent improper fraction. So let's jump right in to number one. And we have 3 2/5 here for number one. So we're going to change that again to its improper fraction. So what we need to do, I call it the C method. We're going to start at the bottom here and we're going to come around. We're going to multiply the denominator, the 5, times the whole number and then add the numerator. So we would do 5 times 3 plus 2. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is going to give us 17. That's going to be the numerator of our improper fraction. And then we just keep the denominator, the 5, the same. And there we have it. There's our improper fraction. Now 3 2/5 is equivalent to 17/5, 17 over 5. Both of those, the mixed number and improper fraction, hold the same value. We just changed the form. Now, we should be able to go back to a mixed number and get the same thing. And remember, to get back to a mixed number, we do 17 divided by 5, the numerator divided by the denominator. How many whole groups of 5 can we pull out of 17? Well, 3 whole groups. That gets us to 15, so we have a remainder of 2 left over, and we keep the denominator of 5. So just to double check our answer, we went back to a mixed number and got the same thing that we started with. But the improper fraction for 3 2/5 is 17/5. So let's go to number 2 here. We're going to make our C here and start at the bottom and go to the top. And it's always multiply and then add. Always multiply, then add. So the first thing we do, 2 times 7, which is 14, plus that 1 gives us 15, and we keep the denominator the same. So 15 halves, or 15 over 2, would be our improper fraction. So let's hop over to number 3 here. Let's make our C. This always helps me remember that we start at the bottom, multiply, and then add. So again, multiplication, then addition. 8 times 2 is 16, plus that 7 gives us 23. And again, we keep our denominator the same, which is 8. So our answer would be 23/8. And lastly, number 4 here, start at the bottom, multiply, and then add. 6 times 10 is 60, plus that 5 is 65. Keep the denominator the same, 65/6 would be our improper fraction for number 4. So there you have it. There's how you change mixed numbers to improper fractions. Hopefully that helped and gave you what you were looking for. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.